what? This is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. Yeah, so I'm here trying to just thread the machine. So I'm just gonna start. I'm already starting here. Sewing in this property and the new property that we have. So I'm just gonna have these right here. So I'm just gonna start doing that. And yeah, so this is how you have that. And yeah, so I just wanna do this, and I'm gonna put that through that let me see, through the hole. Yeah, it's kind of hard sometimes. I don't have my tools, but yeah, so just like that. And this is ready to sew. So I'm just gonna put this right here. Just gonna put this through right here. And yeah, so this is ready to sew. So this is already threaded, and I use like 100% cotton to to do the microwave bowls. So just gonna having this ready to go. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start pretty soon, and that's start sewing some like that. I can show you. Thank you so much for watching. This is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods.